Guys, on the manuals, to ensure that it is in neutral before you leave the vehicle, there's a quick procedure you need to do. And all it is when you have the car on, when you already come up to park, you're obviously going to have your vehicle in neutral. You want to leave it in neutral, have your handbrake up, which you're going to do anyway. Just do not be touching the foot brake. And all you got to do is hold the button before you turn the key off. And it's as simple as that. When you hop out of the car, it means that you weren't touching the brake, the handbrake was on, it is in neutral, and you can confirm all that. And when you shut the door, it'll shut down the car for you, meaning you were outside the vehicle when it was in neutral and it wasn't going anywhere. So when you do the remote start next time, it's all safe and sound. I'm going to show you that quickly. The car's started. You're going to hold the button down till the light goes out. You will actually hear the module click as well if you've got a quieter car. This is a super loud car. You can see I'm not touching the foot brake, okay? Not touching it. If you are touching it, it will not set. And then take the key out. And now you know you've left it in neutral. You'll shut the door. The car will actually shut itself down and it will lock itself, okay? It will actually lock itself. So that ensures that you were out of the vehicle, it's in neutral, it's never gonna start in gear, it is locked. If someone comes back to the car at this stage, like someone that didn't know you and borrowed your keys, had to get something out of the car, if they unlock it and open the door, it will pull it out of remote start mode, so there's no way you can remote start in gear, nice and safe. So that's all ready to go for remote start for the next trip that we do, and you can use the factory remote, lock, unlock, lock. It will end in the lock position, and it will actually start, okay? And you can use the long range remote as well. So that will actually start up. And there you go, like it is 100% bulletproof. It's never gonna start in gear. And then we can actually shut it down from the long range remotes. Okay, never gonna start in gear. And that other neutral safety switch is, for example, if you ever had it like this with the window open and someone didn't open the door and say bumped it in the gear, that other switch will then, if it jumped anywhere, it would detect that. So that's a very rare occurrence. Like you're not gonna leave your car with your window down anyway and who's leaning in without opening the door. So it's really never gonna happen, but you have 2 steps of safety, very, very good. Pretty easy, so it's basically just hold your button down before you get out of the car. It's so simple. We're gonna show you how to put the panels back on now and pack it all up nice and neat.